Hi guys, today for what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about how do you use FlipGrid. FlipGrid's a web-based platform that lets you take videos, and after you take the video and post it, your classmates can also view your videos. So let's go ahead and we're going to look at an assignment in my Google Classroom to help you be able to see what to do. So from Google Classroom, we're going to go ahead and select my class. We're going to go ahead and go to classwork. And from classwork, we're going to go ahead and click on the We Don't Need Our Classmates assignment because this assignment actually has a FlipGrid with it. So when I click on View Assignment, Instructions, we're going to see that there is a link right here to the FlipGrid. You're going to be able to click this link. When you click this link, it's going to go ahead and take you right on to the FlipGrid that we're going to be using. All right, let's see if it'll open here. All right, from here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to want to log in with your Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with mine. It will do the same thing with yours. And then once I get here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and you are going to click the giant green plus sign. Now, the job on this FlipGrid was to talk about what makes somebody the best classmate ever. So you'd click the plus sign and it will pop open a video recorder. All right, now you have a minute and a half to do this. So what you'll do is you will go ahead and you can do some fancy things with this, but for today, let's just focus on how do we actually use just the recorder. You would go ahead, you would click the button where you see the camera, and it's going to say 3, 2, 1. And now I'm live, and I would tell you that I think the best classmate ever is somebody who listens, follows directions, and is kind to their friends, and is always willing to help somebody out. Now, when I'm done, I can pause it. I can click next, and then it's going to show me this, and I can review exactly what I just said. I would hit next again, and now I get to take a selfie because this is how it's going to show you on the screen. So smile. Okay, there's my picture. If I don't like it, I can redo it. Right now, I'm going to leave it as is. I would hit next. And then it's going to go ahead and upload my picture or my video to the screen. Now, I'm going to go ahead and close the window. You won't want to do that because it's going to ruin the recording. But that is how it would post right up here. You would see mine, and then everybody else's will come up through here, and you'll actually be able to go on and watch everybody. All right, hopefully that was helpful. If you need help, reach out to me, reach out to your teacher via Google Classroom or Class Dojo.